showing you one of the easiest Christmas tree decorations you can make out of natural materials. You can use flexible shoots from trees like willow or dogwood to make these, but if you're not used to using this type of material, I really recommend using a store-bought type of material like wicker or reed. To make one of these stars, all you need is an arm length of weaving material. And what we're going to do is decide how big we want our star to be, and we'll clip off a piece of our weaving material to act as a measuring stick. And what we're going to do is make 5 crimps. Okay, we've made 5 crimps. Now we can move on to actually shaping the star. To start off, I like to hold the entire thing just like this, so that the butt end is sitting over top of the rest of it, and our first crimp is below it. Then we will push these together a little bit, just like so. Then we will simply drag over the next crimp and tuck the rest underneath, just like so. Let's look at it again. Hey, and before I forget, reed comes in lots of different sizes, and if you're interested in using the exact material I'm using for this project, be sure to check out the link in my video description. It's my affiliate link for Amazon, and it'll take you right to this weaving material. Okay, there you go. You have your star shape, and you can easily manipulate the different sides and make it as even as possible. Then your next step is to add some flair, and also you need to secure the last side there. And the best way to do this is just with some twine, but you could use anything really, like any kind of colored string. You have some really thin willow branches. That's a really cool accent to these. And really what you're doing is just kind of a over under kind of wrapping. Or you could just literally just wrap these and tie them together however you want so that they're secured. And if you've made it this far in the video, you might be interested in checking out my website, where I'm going to be selling some DIY craft kits. Well, it will have everything you need to make these stars. Each craft kit will have enough material to make between 4 and 5 stars. Once you have completed wrapping the first side, you can then continue and wrap all the rest of the sides. And then you can simply tie a little loop around it to hang off of your tree.